guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. I'm here with my mom, Kathy, and we're making a monkey fart soap.
A monkey fart, but doesn't smell like monkey farts, even if I don't know how monkey farts smell. Do you, Kelsey?
No.
So we just got this really cool fragrance oil from Nature's Garden, and we said, hey, why not make a cool soap with that? So it's going to be a very colorful and cool soap. And let me tell you, that smells delicious. It smells like a cocktail of fruit and berries.
Let's get soaping!
So let's get soaping, have fun, enjoy life. Alright guys, as promised, we are making our monkey fart soap. So here we go. I'm going to use these colorants over here. This one over here is from Brambleberry, is the red mica. And I have this one over here, this beautiful blue, that's from Rustic Essential, and it's almost ice mica. Then I have another one from Brambleberry, and it's the brown cappuccino mica, right there. And this is the fizzy lemonade from Brambleberry too, hermit green from Brambleberry too, and this one over here is the orange mica from Brambleberry. It's a sunset orange mica. So we're gonna use these, and we're gonna do and put swirls like that, like we did with the cupcakes. And we're gonna do a little high top today, kind of an high top. And also I'm gonna add this beautiful stuff here, is colloidal oatmeal, and I'm gonna use some organic USDA coconut milk. Look how beautiful that is. And of course our monkey fart fragrance oil right here from Nature's Garden. That smells delicious. Like I said before, it smells a lot like a cocktail of beautiful berries and a tropical fruit. Beautiful. Okay, so there we go, and let's go and make this beautiful soap. Okay, so just put in here a little bit of the colloidal oatmeal, and I am going to blend it to make it nice and smooth, and then we're gonna put the lye solution in here. Okay. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you before, but I have in the bowl here, I have my oils. I have olive oil, sweet almond oil, palm oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. And like I said, and which I just did blend the colloidal oatmeal. Okay. So now we're gonna use, we're gonna put the lye solution in there. Here we are. And we're gonna blend it. Slowly in there. We don't want any bubbles. Trying to get all of it in there. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna blend this until I reach very emulsification or light trace, and then we're gonna put in this beautiful coconut milk as a super fat. All right. I'm going to put my coconut milk in there, my organic coconut milk. It has a little bit of chunks in there. I did kind of try to blend it, but it's still chunky. But that's okay, it's going to get alright. It's going to be alright in there. So this is going to be really good soap, like usually our soaps, you know, really nice for your skin. This is really great. For the skin, it makes it nice and soft, and also makes the bar really nice and luxurious. So we like that. Right, kiddo? Right, Kelsey? Alright, so I'm gonna put in the fragrance oil. Our monkey fart fragrance oil. I'll try to get all of it in there. It really smells like candy, like I don't know, sweet.
Kind of like Hawaiian punch.
Like a Hawaiian punch, you think?
Mm-hmm.
It smells like bananas, apples, I don't know, pineapple, like all kinds of, a little bit of berries.
That would be Hawaiian punch.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 1 pound of this away, because I need it for my frosting. I know, I'm not going to make extra different frosting today, I'm just going to use this. So, alright, I'm going to do 1 pound. Right there. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of this in each cup. And we're going to alright. I'm going to kind of not fill them up all the way, because we're going to do in the pot swirl. Like we did with the cupcakes. This is going to be a little bit different. Okay, so right now I'm going to put some titanium dioxide in the main bowl here because I want to make it kind of like a creamy color. I'm going to make the main loaf, you know, the main soap bar is going to be this color. It's going to be a little bit of a, there we go, it's going to be kind of a creamy color, like not white but creamy. So we're going to do a little bit of so I put a little bit of titanium dioxide for that purpose. And I'm going to blend it in a little bit. Okay, there we go. It's nice and creamy. And now we're going to blend the other colors and I'm going to put them in here. Okay, so I'm going to do in the pot swirl like we did with the other ones, with the other previous cupcakes. So I'm going to put a little bit of this stuff in here. Going to be all kinds of, it looks kind of like a tie-dyed, that's what the cupcakes look like. So you guys going to see how cool. I'm already start piping this, and I'm just gonna do little dollops over here. I mixed a little bit of mica with oils for the piping, and it's red and blue, green, and a little bit of yellow. And I'm just gonna do little blobs on top, a little piping here. We're gonna do nothing special. It's gonna be very simple soap. just to give it a little bit of a color here. And it took a little while to get there for the piping, because I didn't use my usual recipe. This is all the same stuff, but I think that looks cool. Okay, so here it is. It's our monkey fart soap. It's a little soap, not a lot of stuff on it. You know, not a lot of, I mean, lots of color, but not, but very simple. Just like a simple in the pot swirl, and a little mica on top with a little colors. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this a couple of days, so about 24 to 48 hours, and then we're gonna come and cut it. We're going to spray with a little bit of alcohol, 90% alcohol on it, so right there. And that's it, and we're done for today. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and show you guys up close what it looks like. Okay, so guys, that's the way it looks up and close. That's our monkey fart soap. And like I said before, we're gonna come back in 48 hours, and we are gonna cut it and see what's going on inside. Okay guys, here we are back, and this is after about almost 30 hours, and here's the loaf is right there ready to be cut. And I took it out of the lining there, the silicone lining, and that's what it looks like from outside here. Alright, so, and that's the old sides over here. Is a little bit soft still, but not too bad. But look how this side over here looks really neat. So, all those colors. Okay, so let's get going and let's cut this beauty. Okay guys, here are the bars. Monkey fart soap. I think they look pretty cool. And they have a really nice top. There's a very small batch. This was kind of like a test. See what we wanted to do with that. But I think it came out really nice. So if you guys want to buy a bar of this one, you know, you can always check our Etsy shop. April 6 or 7. That's when we're going to put them on our Etsy shop. And if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. And if you have any questions, we are always happy to answer your questions. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you very much again. I see you guys to the next video.